Have you ever felt like this? You understand English when you read, you understand when you listen, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes completely blank. You know the words, but they just don't come out. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, I'm going to show you powerful, practical English speaking tips that can completely change the way you speak, starting today. Hello everyone, welcome to English Success Hub Academy. Today, I will tell you 7 English speaking tips that actually work to improve your English perfectly. Let's begin. Let me tell you something important. The problem is not that you don't know English. The real problem is fear, overthinking, and lack of speaking practice. Many learners spend years studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary, watching videos, but still can't speak confidently. Why? Because speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. And today, you're going to learn how to build that skill step by step. In this video, I'll give you simple speaking techniques, daily habits, and powerful mindset shifts that will help you speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last tip is the one most learners ignore, but it can change everything. Tip 1. Stop translating in your head. This is the biggest mistake. When you try to speak, do you do this? Think in your language, translate into English, then speak. This process is slow, stressful, and confusing. So, start thinking directly in English. Begin with simple thoughts like, I am tired, I am hungry, I need water. Even describe what you see. The sky is blue, people are walking. This trains your brain to think in English naturally. At first, it feels strange, but keep going. Tip 2. Speak every day, even alone. Many people say, I have no one to practice with. That's not a problem, because you can practice by yourself. How? Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, talk about your plans, explain what you are doing. Example, I am cooking food now. I am cutting vegetables. It may feel funny, but it works. Speaking is like going to the gym. If you don't practice, your speaking muscle becomes weak. Tip 3. Use simple English. Many learners try to use big vocabulary, complex grammar, and then they get stuck. Trying to sound perfect, this is a big mistake. To improve your English, focus on being clear, not perfect. Example, instead of saying, I would like to express my dissatisfaction, just say, I am not happy with this. Simple English equals faster speaking and more confidence. Tip 4. Learn phrases, not just words. If you only learn single words, speaking becomes difficult. Instead, learn phrases. Examples, how are you doing? What do you mean? Let me think about it. These are ready-made sentences. Your brain can use them quickly without thinking too much. Tip 5. Listen and repeat. Shadowing technique. This is one of the most powerful methods. How it works? Listen to a native speaker, repeat immediately, copy pronunciation and tone. You can use videos, podcasts, movies. Example, listen, I'll call you later. Repeat, I'll call you later. This improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Tip 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. Every fluent speaker you see today was once a beginner who made many mistakes. If you don't make mistakes, you are not learning. So speak anyway, even if your English is not perfect. Tip 7. Think slowly, speak clearly. Many learners try to speak fast and then they panic. That is a big mistake. Speed creates pressure. So speak slowly and clearly. Example, I want to learn English. This gives your brain time to think, and your listener can understand you better. Bonus tip. Here is something powerful. Record yourself speaking. Yes, record your voice. Then listen to it. Why? You hear your mistakes, you improve faster, you build confidence. At first, you may feel uncomfortable, but after some time, you'll see real progress. Let's review quickly. Stop translating, speak every day, use simple English, learn phrases, practice shadowing, accept mistakes, speak slowly, record yourself. If you follow these steps consistently, your English will improve, not in one day, but step by step, day by day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start speaking today, even if it's just one sentence, because your future fluent self is created by what you do today. Pointer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and like the video. Then be the family of English Success Hub Academy for more tips. Share it with a friend and keep practicing. See you in the next video.